मैं अपनी कंट्री को अच्छे से प्राउड करूँ। एंड ये क्राउन सिर्फ क्राउन नहीं है, ये इंडिया का फ्लैग है, उसको अच्छे से मैं लहराऊँ। It was amazing, being surrounded by beauties of India and her girl अपने आप में इतनी अच्छी talented थी और इतनी खूबसूरत थी और सबके साथ रहना, उनसे सीखना, बेस्ट टीचर्स मिले थे हमें, बहुत अच्छे ग्राउंड्स मिले थे डालने को। पर उससे सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने अपने आप में क्या सीखा है कि आपका कंपटीशन अपने साथ ही है। आप किसी और को अपने साथ कंपेयर मत करो, आपको अपने आप से अच्छा दिखना है और यही ज़रूरी है हर कंपटीशन में, क्योंकि लाइफ इज़ अ कंपटीशन और वो कंपटीशन हमारे साथ ही है। चैलेंजेस आई थिंक मैं हेल्थ के साथ काफ़ी अगर मैं बात करूँ एक मंथ पहले मैं ठीक नहीं थी। थोड़ा ट्रैवल करने की वजह से फूड पॉइजनिंग हुई थी मुझे, पर उसको कोप अप किया मैंने अपनी हेल्थ को पीछे रख के मैंने कहा कि नहीं, मैंने करना है, दैट्स माई पैशन, आई वॉन्ट टू represent myself, I want to go towards the purpose and make myself proud, and I want to give a shot again to beauty passions, and I think that was the right decision. So मैंने क्या सीखा अपने आप से कि आपकी विल पावर स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी then you can conquer the whole world. Well, to be very honest, at the age of 21, I realized my passion and purpose of life. I want to represent my country, whether it's in acting, modeling, or beauty passion. So I wanted to start with beauty passion and wanted to give another shot. Let's see what happens. And fortunately, what inspires me the most is that to be focused, to focus on yourself. Just believe in your strengths. You need to have that willpower, you need to have that strength within yourself. Just forget what's happening around you. You want to achieve it, you can achieve it. You are your own inspiration and you need to understand that. And that's what inspires me. Well, I think we all go through mental health. It's just that a lot of us don't open up. We all go through, a lot of controls, emotions, and distractions in our lives. We need to understand that it's okay to cry, it's okay to be sad, it's okay to not be okay. And if I talk about my story, then I was bullied, I was body shamed, and there where I doubted my own existence. I doubted myself, the way I look, and I started feeling uncomfortable in my own skin. But I think that made me stronger. Those episodes, those circumstances in my life made me stronger into a woman that I'm completely, believing in myself. I'm completely a person who loves and who adores that I will achieve what I want to achieve. And it's important to understand that हमारी ज़िंदगी में अच्छे और बुरे दिन आते रहेंगे, हमें उनसे क्या सीखना है वो ज़्यादा मायने करता है, ना कि हर चीज़ को एज अ फेलियर, हर चीज़ को एज अ सैड अपनी लाइफ में लेके जाना है। सो मेंटल हेल्थ में तो मैं यही कहूँगी, स्पेशली कोविड के टाइम पे आई सीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल गोइंग थ्रू डिप्रेशन एंड स्ट्रगलिंग विद देयर हेल्थ। यू नीड टू ओपन अप, यू नीड टू हैव एटलीस्ट वन पर्सन जिसके साथ आप अपनी अच्छे और बुरे दिन बता सको, एक्सप्लेन कर सको, and you need to share your emotions either with someone or just be yourself. It's okay to cry, I'm telling you this. Well, it's not. Well, at the same time, seeing Anushka Sharma and Deepika Padukone talking about depression, and they're so comfortable in the way that they have exposed themselves, that, okay, this is how I feel and this is where I went through, right? It's not about being depressed that it makes you feel weaker, it's about how to come back again. It's important to come back stronger. If you are feeling sad, if you are feeling depressed, you need to get out of that zone, and you have the key to get out of that zone. And if you feel you are depressed, you need to talk to someone else. You need to talk to your family, your friends, someone should be there. Keeping it in yourself is definitely poisoning your mental health. And trust me, nothing is about your mental health. Your mental health plays a very important role, and we as humans are blessed with brains and we can do wonders in the whole world, but at the same time, it's very dangerous for us. So it depends upon us how we want to use our brains. So you need to be very positive. You need to make sure that you are surrounded by positive individuals and positive environment.
Hi, Hermes. This is Sandy. This side.
Hi, sir.
Hermes, you're saying that it's okay to be crying alone or something like that. Were you depressed when you were just participating and you didn't win once? In 2019, probably you were a contestant, you put, quite late, and now you're at the top.
Well, absolutely, I was crying. I was crying for like 1 month. I won't lie. I'm a human, and it's a nature. Crying is emotion. I won't lie. I was feeling bad. I didn't win, or yeah, I was okay. Nothing happened to me. I was happy that okay, I didn't win. I obviously cried, and I'm sure everyone does that. But it depends upon us how we come back again. I believe I came back stronger. I worked on my mistake. I worked on myself. I learned through my mistakes, and I think that's very important for you to learn from yourself.
You're a beautiful brain, also.
Thank you, sir.
Just a little, be a little punctual. This is what my advice is. Number two, you belong to a Punjabi family, right?
Haji, sir.
Which languages can you speak other than English?
I can speak Punjabi very well. I'm from Batala, Gurdaspur. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵੀ ਬੋਲ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਆ I can speak Hindi as well.
और कोई language जो आपने सीखी हो?
अभी बस ये तीन ही आती है मुझे.
अच्छा, you wanted to be an actor because I've read your interviews. You said I was longing for this time.
बात है सभी
Yeah, please. मेरे पीछे वो नवीन लड़ रहे हैं. नवीन. Right, coming back to the question now. She will not leave you. बस मैम शूटिंग बात करो. Everything's okay, ma'am. Everything's okay. So where were we actually? I was asking you something
You were asking me something regarding my acting.
about your acting.
Yeah,
You
my
wanted to
keen
be an actor or
interest.
you wanted to be a model first or a winner of a pageant? Because I've read your statement that I was longing for this day for quite a while now, and now I've won this. So it was a moment for you, of course, for us also. So tell us, like, what were you longing to? What were you wanted to be?
As in future?
No, you would think whenever you participate, like you give an interview, right?
Yes.
You've participated thrice, I suppose, thrice, right? So in the middle time, like you were being asked like what you wanted to be, and you were saying that I wanted to be this for quite a while. Now, what was that? This was it? तुसी की बनना की चाहते सी actor
Yes,
या
yes.
model या की?
Well, I'm always passionate about acting, and I think it's natural. Acting किसी को सिखाई नहीं जाती है, उसको पॉलिश जरूर किया जा सकता है. पर उससे ज़्यादा मुझे अपनी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करने का बहुत ही पैशन है, और मैंने यही बात मैम को भी बोली कि मैं अपनी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ, चाहे वो एक्टिंग में, चाहे वो मॉडलिंग में, चाहे वो ब्यूटी पैजेंट में ही हो. तो मैं ब्यूटी पैजेंट से स्टार्ट करना चाहती थी कि क्या पता इसमें ही कुछ मुझे मौका मिल जाए, एंड होपफुली आप सबकी दुआओं के साथ और मेरी मेहनत के साथ मुझे ये मौका मिला है. इसके बाद मेरा एक्टिंग में ज़रूर है, शौक मुझे बहुत है एक्टिंग का, सो मैं देखती हूँ आगे एक्टिंग में क्या स्कोप होता है. I have done a Punjabi feature film as a lead heroine, and it will be releasing in next 27th of May 2022. So you will be watching me soon in cinemas.
And you were talking about body shaping, right? So, मतलब क्या पहले होते थे तो ये बहुत
Can I just add something on to this? Of course, like when you were talking about body shaming and then you talk about depression as well. So don't you think that the beauty parents and then the actresses they just
glamour world is not about only being glamorous, trust me. It takes a lot of efforts. It takes one whole team to build that woman to represent the country, right? Or that actor to showcase their skills through movies, and movies are life stories. I think that you are unique and that what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others, and makeup does not makes you beautiful. It only enhances the internal beauty that is within you, right? So thinking that a glamour world is different or it is being biased towards normal individuals or the other individuals who are not a part of glamour industry, that's not like that. Every person is beautiful, trust me.
When I said this because you may make Priyanka Chopra, maybe Katrina Kaif, maybe Deepika Padukone. I don't think that they weigh that much, like the normal people do. So that was
Well,
fine.
trust me, ma'am, I respect a person on the basis of how talented they are. Right? It's not about being famous, it's about how talented you are and what kind of behavior you take towards the society. You need to understand the meaning of being human. Humanity is the basis of being human rather than just running behind materialistic things. And I don't say that you need to be spiritual totally, you just need to balance both the things. You need to understand that what kind of role you are playing in the society, right? And I totally respect a person on the basis of their talent, their behavior, and how important they are, playing their roles in the society.
Arnath, what could be your message to the other Indian girls who maybe may like to follow you in your footsteps?
Well, my ultimate message to the youth will be that you need to play a very important part in the economic and political system of our country because the future lies in our hands and we need to understand what's happening in our country. Being a student of public administration and being in beauty pageant, I have realized how important it is to understand the administration of our country, the government, all the important aspects. And I personally think, sir, that if you want to change the system, you need to be in the system. And we are the youth, we can definitely change the system.
Changing the system involves protesting the elections. Will you be
It's
willing
about,
to?
yes.
Will you be willing to contest the elections?
Well, I don't have any, I'm not thought about that to be very honest. It takes a lot of courage and it takes a lot of dedication towards election. But my ultimate courage and dedication is towards beauty pageant. And I think it's about choices. I'm more about reading it theoretically rather than being practical and politically, doing elections and all of that. But I think we need to understand that we can change the system of the whole country, and the change in the sense is to be the progress of our country, the growth of our country, and we all need to unite together because this is the time, and COVID has taught us the lesson that health is wealth, and you never know what's happening tomorrow, so you need to stand for yourself. You need not to ask somebody else to be your voice, right? You have a voice, stand for it, speak about it, that's it. That's what life is all about. That is what all takes you to become a successful human.
So we're not involved in any sort of social work. Are you involved in any kind of social work?
Yes, ma'am. I think if I talk about one cause, then that would be very. It's not okay to say one cause because I think society is the cause. I've worked about hand hygiene, and I think COVID has given a proper shout out towards hand hygiene. Well, currently I'm talking about mental health also because I have seen how COVID has ultimately, changed from hand hygiene to the mental health cause. But at the same time, I talk about women empowerment as my mom has been a very inspirational individual in my society. She has been so dedicated towards her noble profession, being a doctor, that she has not only empowered me but a lot of other women to believe in themselves and to just go for it and achieve